In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a registered agent for your LLC or business. I own multiple LLCs and corporations, and this is exactly how I find the cheapest, most affordable registered agents available. Let's get started. So first of all, what is a registered agent? A registered agent is a person or a business that agrees to accept legal documents on behalf of your LLC or corporation. So it's basically a person or a business that you actually designate to receive official correspondence on behalf of your business. So this is going to include things like notices from the IRS, lawsuits from creditors. And yeah, the reason why you need a registered agent is because they realize that they need a way to contact you as the business. So that's why it's required when you form your corporation or LLC to have that registered agent on file. Now, for a registered agent to be valid, there are two requirements. The first is you need a physical address, and they don't actually accept PO boxes. And this address needs to be in the state that your company is formed in. The person or business that is your registered agent also needs to actually reside in the state your business is in. So then you might be wondering, can you just be a registered agent for your own business yourself? And the answer is yes, you can be your own registered agent, but this does bring up some privacy issues. Personally, I would not use myself as my own registered agent because there are so many services out there that can do this for really affordable prices. And for me, the privacy is just worth it alone. Another reason why I would not do it myself is because, you might not be available during business hours. If you yourself cannot be located, then the delivery of any legal notices cannot be made, and this can actually have some pretty severe consequences. Also, if you yourself are your registered agent, then they're going to serve papers and notices directly to you, and that can be really embarrassing in some certain situations. So yeah, overall, I just would not do it myself because there are so many services that do this for you, and in my opinion, it's well worth it. So that brings us to how you can actually find a third-party registered agent. They're going to act as the point of contact for your LLC or business. They're always going to be available. They're always going to be really organized. They're going to know the ins and outs of your industry. They're going to ensure discretion and privacy, and of course, they are extremely affordable. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to use Northwest Registered Agent as your own registered agent. This is a service that I've been using. They are amazing. And full disclosure, it costs $125 per year, which is very affordable. I've done a lot of research about them because, I'm really cautious about what companies I work with, and they don't sell your data, and they just really ensure full privacy for your LLC or business. So using the link down below in the description, it's going to take you to the Northwest Registered Agent website. And here you can learn more about Northwest, as well as how the registered agent service works. But to get started, you're just going to come up to the top and click Get Started. The checkout process is extremely easy. And the first thing you're going to do is select which state you want your registered agent service to be in. So I'm in California, so I'm going to select this one. And it's basically just $125 per year for every single state. Of course, you can select multiple states, but for me, I'm just selecting one. So I'm going to click Continue. It's going to have you set up an account. So it's going to ask for your email address and a password. It'll then ask you for your company name. So you're going to want to type that in, as well as select your company entity type. Then you're going to click Continue. Then it's going to ask you for your contact details. So your name, your address, as well as your phone number. After that, I'm going to click Continue, and it's going to allow me to add some optional items. So if you have an existing company, you'll actually select this one. So you can actually change your registered agent to Northwest for free. It's not free in the sense that you're not paying anything, but it is free to transfer that service over to Northwest. If you want to have them file your compliance filings each year, you guys can also select this. And basically that's going to be like an extra $100 per year to do that for you. So since I don't want that right now, I'm going to select no. They also have premium mail forwarding. They have a virtual office service if you want. They have a phone service, and this is actually free for the first 60 days. And after that, it's $9 per month. So if you want that, you can select it. But for me, I'm going to select no. And they also have a free credit card processing consultation, but I'm going to leave that unchecked for now. After that, I'm going to click Continue. And here's where you're going to put in your payment information. So after you do that, you're going to click Done. After you guys go through the checkout process, you're going to be able to go to your new account dashboard, and you'll be able to see your registered agent information instantly, as well as any PDF templates that you might need. Yeah, super easy. This literally takes like 3 to 5 minutes for you guys to fill out. And I definitely recommend it if you are looking for a registered agent. So yeah, that's how you get a registered agent for a very affordable price. I'll leave a link down below to Northwest Registered Agent. And yeah, they are just, in my opinion, one of the best registered agent services to use. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure to, share with a friend, but also like and subscribe for more videos just like this. We do tons of free how-to guides and tutorials on this channel. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.